Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix printer error, and the error is the data area passed to a system call is very small. So if you are receiving this error message when you try to make a printout, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run printer troubleshooter. To run printer troubleshooter, go to the start menu and then click on settings and then click on update and security and then click on troubleshoot and find printer. If you don't see the printer over here, then click on additional troubleshooter and here you can find printer. So click on printer and then click on run the troubleshooter. Now once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to make a printout. If that does not resolve the problem, then update Windows 10. To update Windows 10, open settings once again. So go to the start menu, click on settings, go to update and security and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to make a printout. The next step is to install KB4567523 update. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. So open any browser, then open this link. And here you can find the list of update over here. All are KB4567523. Now it's for Windows 10 version 2004 ARM64 based system, for Windows Server, for Windows 10 version 2004 x64 based system. So you have to find out what kind of system you have. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, then click on system, scroll down and click on about, and here you will be able to see what kind of system you have. So here you can see 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. So select Windows 10 version 2004 x64 based system and then click on download. And then click on this hyperlink, and which will go ahead and download the file. You have to run this file and then install the update and then restart your computer and then try to make a printout. If that does not resolve the problem, then go ahead and restart print spooler service. So to restart print spooler service, just type in services in Windows search, make a right click on services, then click on run as administrator and then just press the letter P on the keyboard and find print spooler. Here you can find print spooler. Just make a right click, then click on stop. First of all, we will stop, then we will restart the services. Make a right click and then click on start once again. This will restart the print spooler service and then you can try to make a printout. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall printer driver from manufacturer website. So to uninstall printer driver, make a right click on start menu, then open device manager and then you have to find the print queue. So you have to find the printer driver. So in my case it was hidden, so just expand print queues and here you will be able to see the printer driver. In my case my printer is not installed, so right now I don't see the printer driver. So if you see the name of your printer driver, go ahead and make a right click. Just for example, I'm showing you just an example. So make a right click and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall. So make sure that you uninstall the printer driver from here and then restart your computer. And after you restart your computer, go to your manufacturer website. So if you have HP printer, go to HP website. Now if you have Canon, go to Canon. If you have Epson, go to Epson website. If you have any other printer, go to their website. So for example, I'm just showing for HP, so just type in HP printer, then go to HP website. This is just an example. Make sure that you go to your brand website. So whatever is your brand, go to their website and then go to the software and driver, select your model number for your printer and then online you can find the driver for your printer. So go ahead and click on download the printer driver. So if you have any other brand, go to their website and download and install printer driver from the manufacturer website and then restart your computer and then try to make a printout. The next step is to perform system restore. To perform system restore, just type in system restore and then click on create a restore point Then under system protection you will find system restore. Click on system restore and then choose a different restore point and then click on next, and here you can find the restore point with date and time. So in my case I have only one restore point available right now. In your case you might find multiple restore point. So select date and time on which date you were not facing the problem. So suppose you started receiving the error message today, so you have to select the restore point for maybe yesterday or day before yesterday. So you have to select the restore point on which date you were not facing the problem, then click on next and then click on finish and then perform a system restore. Now let me inform you that when you perform a system restore, so whatever update or application is installed after the restore point will be gone. You will not lose any data on the computer, but you will lose all the updates and application installed after the restore point. Now after the restore is done, it will take some time to perform system restore. Once done, log into your computer and then try to make a printout. If that does not resolve the problem, then you can use Microsoft Virtual Agent Support. So just copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link and this will take you to the support page, and here you can see how to fix printing problems in Windows 10, and it will give you some options. So just select the appropriate option and then continue with the troubleshooting. Suppose I select my printer isn't printing, then it automatically will give us some troubleshooting. Perform this troubleshooting, and if it resolve the problem, then click on yes. Still you are facing the problem, then click on no, let's try another solution, and then it will give you another troubleshooting. So just follow the steps shown over here and that should go ahead and fix the problem for you. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.